Sanbian Sci-Tech Co., Limited, located on the coast of the East China Sea, was founded in 1968 and it is a public-listed company since 2007. The company integrates research, production, and sales with an annual production capacity of over 150 million kilovolt ampere. The main products include 500 kV and below oil-immersed power transformers, combined transformers, dry-type transformers, special transformers with more than 2,000 specifications and varieties. It is the National Key High-Tech Enterprises, National Specialties, and Special New Small Giants Enterprise, and the top 10 transformer enterprises. As early as in 2002, Sanbian entered the new energy industry and produced the first combined transformer for wind power generation, which was put into operation in Helan Mountain Wind Farm. In 2015, Sanbian built business relationship with the global new energy leading enterprise Sungrow. In May of 2018, Auto Transformer 334 MVA and 500 kV power transformer was put into operation in the China State Grid. The entire range of power transformer products is applied in global leading polyurethane company Wanhua Chemicals projects, as well as in the world's largest single industry investment project, the Zhejiang Petrochemical Zhoushan Green Petrochemical Base. In 2023, together with JD Energy, self-developed combined transformers for energy storage is fully used in the world's largest distributed modular energy storage power station, Ningxia Huayan Energy Storage Project. Sanbian has owned three major R&D institutions: National Postdoctoral Workstation, Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, and Provincial Transformer Research Institute. Sanbian has obtained more than 120 national patents, participated to edit 14 national and industrial standards, and 1 group standard. Got awarded more than 20 scientific and technological awards, developed 309 new products, which has obvious technological competitive advantages. Sanbian focuses on cultivating high-skilled talents and craftsmen. Guided by the National Thousand Talents Dr. Andrei Lechko, Power Transformer expert Li Hongchun, and the Power Transformer craftsman team, Sanbian constantly cultivates a fertile ground for talents to be grown up. Focusing on the development of new quality productivity, Sanbian invested more than 200 million yuan and established an ultra-high voltage power transformer test center. We imported the first set of large-scale core cutting and stacking system in the world from Canada. MTM established an automated new energy winding production workshop. Till now, there are 5 sets intelligent production lines from Germany, Canada, and 2 sets from Xi'an have been put into operation. We also set up a large transformer tank welding robot workstation and active part assembly lifting workstation to achieve intelligent plus new ecology production system. During the past 50 years, Sanbian recruited talents, integrated intelligence and innovation, independently developed flagship products which have been widely used in national major projects such as aerospace industry, 3 gorgeous power station, west-east power transmission, east and west calculation, and the high-quality promotion of the construction of One Belt, One Road. Sanbian participated in activities of power grids building in North and South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and many other countries. Since 2016, Sanbian supplied more than 150 units of power transformers for upgraded grid project. In 2020, our 400 kV power transformer was put into operation in Greece Thisvias Extension 1 station. In addition, Sanbian's products are continuing to be exported to 50 countries, including the United States, Canada, Peru, Finland, Pakistan, Dubai, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Greece, Kenya, Ethiopia, etc. Realizing the comprehensive output on products, technologies, brands, and services.